Hello and welcome to MathStats Hub. In today's video, we're going to look at introduction to LaTeX. What is LaTeX? LaTeX is a presentation software that is used for designing slides or preparing your thesis or preparing papers for publication in a journal. So there are two ways of working in LaTeX. You can either prepare slides using Beamer or you work with your thesis in article. But first, let's look at the introduction to the interface. This is where you'll be typing your codes. This is where the output of whatever you are doing here will be seen. Now, within LaTeX, this is where you go to get Greek letters for your mathematical expressions. If you want times division less than or equal to, they are here. Your arrows are here. If you want these other symbols to, they are in this capsided A. Okay. Well, then we'll come to this side. This is where you can bold text. You can italize them. Then the dollar signs, I'll soon be taking you through how they are used. Subscript, superscript. Then you come this way. This is where fractions are. Okay. Now, to work in LaTeX, you first need packages. I have a video on how to install packages. You may have to get that one. Okay. So I have saved a LaTeX file that I call introduction. So first, I want to start with article. So to start with, as a beginner, you go to the wizard and you click quick start. Now, within here, see that the document class is what? Article. So these settings are okay. I'll just say okay. So LaTeX has given me my first option to start. So what will I put here? My first LaTeX document is here. And I will compile F1. Okay, so you can see it's here. Okay, very good. Now, one difficult thing in LaTeX is working with equations or mathematical expressions. There are three ways of doing that, and I'll show you here. The first one is when you want your mathematical expressions be within the text. So my first LaTeX document, I want it here. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll come and press this dollar sign, space here, and then I have y equal to mx plus c. So, and I'll compile F1. So you can see that mathematical expression is within the text. This is how you do it. Now, if you want it within the text, but on a separate line, then what you do is this. Okay, I'm just trying to undo and I move to the next line. Yes, so I'll still need my dollar sign, but this time around, we need two at the beginning, then two at the end. Now, right here, y is equal to 3x plus b. Then I will compile. So here, what I'll see is that it will go to a separate line. It's not in the text again. Okay. Very good. So the third way of dealing with math equations is when you want the equations to be numbered, then you come and say begin and say sorry equations. Okay, this time around you don't need the dollar signs. Okay, so y is equal to 2x minus 3 plus 4x. Let's see what squared. Okay, now compile. My equation will come, but it's numbered. So now equation one. So if I come and I start again, begin, I say equation, then I say y equal to 12u, and I'll compile F1. Then that gives me equation 2. So this is how you can work within article in LaTeX. Now, so I'll just take away this, and I now want to go to Beamer. Beamer is used when you want to prepare slides and all those things. So I'll come to the wizard again, and I'll say what? Quick Beamer presentation. So this is the kind of colors, nice designs that you will get. If you don't like this, you can come and pick any of these. So the one that you are comfortable with. Okay. I don't like this at all. Let me check a different one. Let me get it. Oh no. And let me go to my top. Maybe no, I want a nice one with colors. Okay, yellow is not that bad. Okay, very good. So within here, slides are given the name frame. So after my begin document and end document, I have two frames. The first one is what? Uh, Title. Okay, let me undo and just come. Yes, title page. So if I say introduction, then I have another page here. These ones have been commented out. I can just take them away. Okay, and then I remove this. Oh, that's a 12. Yes, so another slide can be here. My first Beamer, first Beamer document. So that will give me two slides. I hope I will not get an error. Oh, I'm getting an error. So let me just remove the title page so that the error will go out. I'll compile again F this one.